Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Processing. Download it. Download the source. Download the tutorials, whatever. Linux, Mac, Windows, etc. And I've already done so. And I've got it right here. It's a shell script because I'm running Linux, but this will work on Mac or Windows. And I'm going to open this in a new terminal. You don't have to do this under Windows or Mac. I don't think you do. But under Linux, this is the easiest way. cd ls, and then processing is what we want, so it's going to be / processing and start. In a moment, it will fire up. Tick-tock. It's going to launch the application, and there it goes. So it starts off with a challenge, and it shows me the date. So file, I'm going to file open an existing sketch that I downloaded from here. No, it's not open actually, sorry. I downloaded from the web. Let's see, it's going to be in user. And I don't like the Java UI for file navigation. It's not very clean. Especially because it doesn't sort it by alpha. But we're looking for Sketchbook. It's right there. Open that. Double click. Double click. Okay, there it goes. GUI genius.pde. Let's hope this works. I'm going to click OK. Needs to be inside a sketch. Yes, okay. Well, that's smart. It's smart enough to figure it out. That's good. Creates a folder, and it got all the highlighting for me. So, guigui, the guy that created this, you can find him at openprocessing. I want to give him credit because he was the genius that created this. So, thanks to guigui at openprocessing.org. Thank you, guigui. You are going to be the star of many videos coming forth. So let's see if it actually works. Click the play button. Again, this is processing 1.21. In a moment, it should load. Okay, it wants courier bold. All right, that's not problem. We just stop the construction or the video, and now we're going to create the font. So create font, and actually, you know what? I can use any font I want. So we'll use Charter BT. Click OK. Copy that. Click OK. And now let's pop that in here, Control V, Control S, and see that's give us our done saving. What I don't like about this is that I can't copy these messages. I can actually, this one I can copy, but you can see it's just a mess, and it's probably the same thing I'm getting here. Yes. So here is your output for error messages. Let's go back. GUI, and now let's run it to see if it works. Alright, it looks like it's going to work, and let's test table 5. If your French is not very good, then boulot means work. 8 times 5 is 40. Alright, there's no scoring here, so we need to add a scoring. 7 times 5. So it does work, and you could see that this could be quite useful because you're saying, well, that's basic. I've seen that everywhere. Well, it is basic, but one of the things that is not so well understood by non-programmers and people who don't spend a lot of time on the web or smartphones, etc., is that this allows me to export this whole thing, GUI Genius, right here. I can export the whole thing as a web page, and so when I run it as a web page, index.html. It should fire up a moment. When I run it, it will run as a standalone application from my home drive. I've got the source code, and anybody who wants to run this application can now do so. So let's go ahead and start it. Hopefully it will work. I'm waiting for it to start. I've got the source code. That's good. But the application is not starting. Maybe it is starting, but it's starting really slow. Have I found a bug? I think I might have found a bug. Alright, thanks for watching, and well, happy computing!